By clicking on the switch project, you can see all the different projects that you have created inside your account or you have access to. You can filter them by active, trial, or expired, or you can start a new one. Keep in mind that every new project that you start, it starts with a free trial, and you have to upgrade it to subscribe to it to activate the websites and funnels inside. Now, what is a project? Basically, a project is a subscription in which you can have multiple websites or funnels which you can access from this button. So all the websites and funnels inside your current project, you see it here. So in this project in particular, we have one website and two funnels, and it is all written here. You have one website, two funnels in this specific project that you can upgrade to a specific plan. If you want to create again a new one, you can just click on start new project. That will start completely with a free trial, and you have to select again a template for a website or a funnel to start your first one. So this way you can toggle between the different projects that you have. You may build for yourself or for others, and you can access the websites and the funnels inside those projects. This is it. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions, just let us know.